Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming Ms. Gina D. Gamas for introducing this team inducting officer.
Once again, good afternoon. It is with great pleasure and honor that I introduce to you our esteemed inductee officer. She has dedicated nearly a decade of her life to serving our university, demonstrating unwavering commitment and dedication to her role. Her leadership is truly commendable, particularly considering the unique challenges of serving the most remote campus within Isabela State University system. Despite the distance and potential hardships, she has consistently chosen to prioritize the needs of our students and faculty, ensuring that our campus thrives. Her dedication is further exemplified by her willingness to sacrifice personal time and even leave her family behind to fulfill her professional responsibilities. This unwavering commitment to our institution is a testament to her character and a source of inspiration to all of us. We are incredibly grateful for her tireless efforts and unwavering support. Her leadership has been instrumental in shaping our campus into the vibrant and a thriving community it is today. In fact, her dedication to our campus is unparalleled. For her main words the distinction of the remarkable milestone of serving as campus coordinator for the longest duration, a testament to her exceptional leadership, demonstrating her unwavering commitment to our institution. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our inducting officer, our motherly, very demure, very mindful, very easy, and elegant campus coordinator, none other than Assistant Professor Lynette G.